I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, a simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that the next several episodes are going to focus on the future. What's coming with AI, what's not coming, what to expect, how to prepare, and most importantly, how to stay grounded and not freak out. There's a lot of fear, a lot of noise, and a lot of hype out there. My goal in this mini-series is to help you understand the future in a calm, practical, plain English way so you can feel confident instead of anxious. So, let's jump right into listener questions.
Listener questions.
This week's listener question comes from Mike. Mike asks, what exactly is the difference between the AI we have today and the super intelligent AI people keep talking about? Let's start with what AI is, the plain English version. AI today is basically pattern recognition. It finds patterns in data and uses those patterns to answer questions, create text, analyze images, and so on. It's powerful, but it's not thinking. It's not conscious, and it's not making decisions on its own. Then there's narrow AI, where we are today. This is the AI everyone uses right now. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, your phone's camera, Netflix recommendations. These are all examples of narrow AI. Narrow AI means it's good at one specific thing. It can't generalize. It can't decide to do something else. It does understand the world. It's smart in one lane, but cannot leave the lane. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. This is what everyone argues about online. AGI means an AI that can understand, learn, and reason across many areas, similar to a human. Some people think it's decades away. Some think it's closer. Some think we're nowhere near it. But here's the key point. We do not have AGI today. Nothing even close. Today's AI tools feel general because they can answer a lot of questions. But under the hood, they're still just extremely advanced pattern machines, not real thinkers. ASI, Artificial Superintelligence. This is the sci-fi idea, an AI far smarter than any human. Nobody knows if this will ever happen. If it does, it won't suddenly appear out of nowhere. It wouldn't turn evil or decide to take over the world. It would be created carefully, slowly, with layers of safeguards, just like how we regulate medicine, space travel, nuclear energy, and so on. So ASI is a concept, not a current reality. So what's actually coming in the near future? This sets up future episodes. In the next few years, we're going to see much smarter assistants, AI built into everything we use, automation of boring tasks, new jobs and new skill sets, better tools for creativity, learning, and productivity, more human plus AI collaboration. And we'll talk about each of those in upcoming episodes. That being said, we need to make sure that we are prepared for what is coming.
AI hot tip.
Your AI hot tip this week. Do something human. When you start thinking too much about the future or feeling overwhelmed by AI, step away from the screen. Go outside. Touch some grass. Talk to someone you care about. Make something with your hands. The best way to stay grounded in an AI world is to remind yourself that you're human, and AI never will be. AI moves fast, and if you follow every headline, it can feel like the future is spinning out of control. So once in a while, put the phone down, close the laptop, and take a break from the noise. A calm mind makes better decisions, and the future always looks a lot less scary when you're not doom scrolling.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
Here's your optimistic thought of the week. The future has always sounded scarier than it actually turned out to be. Electricity terrified people. Cars terrified people. Computers terrified people. But once we actually got there, each of those things made life better, safer, and more connected. AI is no different. When you finally arrive in the future, it never feels like the end. It feels like progress. Humans are incredibly good at adapting, and you're already doing it. Every generation thinks the next big technology will break the world. Instead, we learn it, we shape it, and we use it to build something better. If you're listening to this podcast, you're not behind. You're early, you're learning, and you're going to thrive in whatever the future brings. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.